We broke a carbon fiber drive shaft.
It smelled bad, it was spinning in there, it got real hot.
We just make way too much power with the RM31. Too much. It's too much to handle.
Okay, so here we have the drive shaft that was in the car. It's a carbon fiber drive shaft, kind of exotic piece, pretty cool. But we were driving the car and it almost felt like the clutch was going out, like it just wasn't putting the power down, but the engine was dialed, everything looked good.
That looks unusual.
It has a weird smell.
It does, but it wasn't making, I mean, do you think the clutch maybe slipped or something? Or?
It felt like it was a burnt clutch, but it smelled really weird. I started to tear into it to pull out the clutch, and when we got to the drive shaft, it just smelled like burnt carbon fiber, like nothing I ever smelled before. And I noticed it had like a distinct ring around here, but it wasn't actually rubbing on anything in the car. But what happened was, you can see the paint mark line up here where the shaft goes into like the end, the yoke. And I noticed on here, the paint mark was just not lined up at all anymore. So I think what happened was whatever glue is used to like glue these together, maybe got too hot because the exhaust runs by here. And it melted and it started spinning this in the drive shaft and like heating this up with the friction. So it smelled bad, it was spinning in there, it got real hot. The carbon fiber is just coming apart. And so because of the exhaust routing and the nature of the car just not being a huge car, we went and shifted to a steel drive shaft. So I am curious to see if this makes a difference in feel of like how the car revs up and you know how the throttle response is. But this one's gonna be stronger, heat resistant. You know, it's not gonna matter that it's close to the exhaust, and it's rated for 1,000 horsepower. So it'll be plenty for this car. And so we're about to throw it back in and see, but that's a new one for me. Carbon fiber drive shaft spinning in the aluminum yoke. I guess that's just normal 1,000 horsepower stuff. You're just gonna break stuff. So we'll just make it better.
Kind of what I'm hearing from this, and this is a layman's interpretation of what this smart guy just said, is that we just make way too much power with the RM31. And basically we broke a carbon fiber drive shaft.
Yep.
It was just too much.
Yeah.
Too much. Too much to handle. I am interested. You think it'll drive differently?
I don't know. Like I've never had a back-to-back comparison. This is actually the first car I've driven with a carbon fiber drive shaft. So
me too.
This is kind of all new territory for me. But yeah, I've drove it before with the drive shaft before it was broken. And this thing absolutely put the power down.
You actually drove it while it was broken.
I am the one that broke it. So
let's get this thing in the air and we'll get the new drive shaft in. So there's actually a drive shaft in there now. The input shaft is in. The yoke is not attached.
You can see, just to make it easier to get in, I pulled half of the exhaust off, and this car has a nice X brace that supports everything. I went ahead and popped that off too. But you can see this is gonna get supported a little bit more, but you can see the drive shaft is kind of close to the exhaust. It never actually rubs or hits, but I think that might be the heat source that compromised the carbon fiber right there. What I'll probably do, I might heat wrap this, but really the only other thing in here is that there's some grease in the U-joint, so if that gets hot, maybe it'll let out the grease. But other than that, steel drive shaft doesn't really care about temperature. So.
All right, so we're gonna just attach the yoke and put the other exhaust back in?
Yep, and then the X brace, we'll slam that back up in there.
Oh, that's right.
And then back on the road. Going in reverse, the car is moving normally, so before it was making a weird squeaking noise, and I think that was the carbon actually squeaking from it spinning. But the clutch feels great, so that's a good sign. Because at first I thought it was the clutch, but the car is moving normally right now, so let's get it out of the shop. Good. We're back. Chingon's back, baby. This thing is an animal, dude. Okay, so I think at this point I can safely confirm it was the drive shaft because we just made a decent little pull, and this thing felt strong. Oh yeah. Okay, well, I think that's all I needed to see. Just wanted to confirm that we were spun a drive shaft, the carbon drive shaft. So steel one, all good to go now. Chingon's back on the road.
She's a ripper.